In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ajazz AK80 Pro Keyboard. The Ajazz AK80 Pro is a versatile 75% compact mechanical keyboard designed for both enthusiasts and professionals, offering a blend of innovation and craftsmanship. It features a TFT screen for real-time updates and customization, a gasket-mounted design with a flex-cut PC plate and PCB for a cushioned and precise typing experience, and south-facing LEDs with 1.6 million RGB color combinations for vibrant backlighting. The keyboard supports both wireless, Bluetooth 5.1 and 2.4 GHz, and wired, Type-C USB, connectivity, making it adaptable for various use cases. With a 4000 mAh battery, it ensures long-lasting performance. It is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, enhancing usability and productivity. The AK80 Pro is equipped with Ajazz custom linear switches, PBT keycaps in OEM profile, and is hot swappable, allowing for personalized customization. The package includes the keyboard, cable, instructional manual, and keycap puller. With its compact design, superior functionality, and customizable features, the Ajazz AK80 Pro stands out as an exceptional choice in the mechanical keyboard market. Number 2. YUNZII RT75 Keyboard. The YUNZII RT75 is a wired mechanical keyboard designed for enhanced gaming efficiency and customization. It features a 75% layout with 82 keys and a control knob, and utilizes YUNZII magnetic switches that leverage the Hall effect for registering keystrokes. This technology eliminates physical contact between the keycap and switch, resulting in greater durability, faster response times, and reduced wear and tear. The keyboard offers rapid trigger capabilities, customizable actuation points with a range from 0.1 to 4.0 mm, and features such as fast key reset, dynamic keystrokes, and dual-action keys for minimal latency and a competitive edge in fast-paced games like FPS and RTS. The RT75 allows for extensive customization via web software on both Windows and Mac, enabling users to personalize key combos, macros, RGB lighting, and more without the need for additional downloads. It boasts a premium build with a gasket mount structure, for layer sound padding for noise reduction, and 16.8 million RGB backlight effects with south-facing LEDs for superior shine-through. The keyboard is compact yet highly functional, suitable for both gaming and professional use. Number 3. AULA F75 Mechanical Keyboard. The AULA F75 is a versatile mechanical keyboard designed for gaming and general use, featuring a 75% layout with 80 keys and multiple connectivity options, including 2.4G wireless, Bluetooth, and wired modes. It comes equipped with a rechargeable 4000 mAh lithium battery and offers a USB Type-C charging interface. The keyboard is notable for its mechanical operation style, utilizing various axis types such as the crescent, ice vein, and Reaper axes, each providing different tactile experiences with distinct conduction pressures and strokes. The design includes a multifunctional knob and RGB lighting, enhancing its appeal for gamers and users who appreciate customizable aesthetics. Originating from mainland China, the AULA F75 is compatible with desktop, laptop, number, and tablet applications, making it a flexible choice for diverse computing needs. Despite its advanced features, the keyboard maintains a standard style without wrist support and is packaged for convenience. Number 4. SKYLOONG GK87 Pro. The SKYLOONG GK87 Pro is a versatile mechanical keyboard designed for gaming and multi-device use, featuring an 87-key layout with ANSI QWERTY configuration. It is constructed with durable ABS, PBT materials and offers various keycap options such as Duet, Macaron, and Spartan. The keyboard is equipped with hot swappable switches from the manufacturer SKYLOONG, including Rose Sea Blue, Rose Pink, and Silent Ruelia. It supports multiple connectivity options, wired USB-C, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth 5.1, making it compatible with PCs, laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. The GK87 Pro includes a 16.8 million RGB backlight and a 2.0-inch hot-swappable LCD screen that displays battery status, connection, and keyboard mode, with the ability to show images or animations. Notably, it features a separated spacebar with tap-hold options and up to 6 programmable rotary knobs for enhanced functionality. The keyboard is powered by a 7,200 mAh lithium battery and includes a cushioned noise reduction design for comfortable typing. It comes with various accessories such as extra switches, keycaps, and a dust cover, making it a comprehensive package for both gaming and office use. Number 5. DrunkDeer A75 Pro. The DrunkDeer A75 Pro is a high-performance mechanical gaming keyboard designed for speed and stability, featuring silent magnetic switches and hot-swappable capabilities. It offers a variety of advanced functionalities tailored for gamers, such as the RT Plus Last Win mode, which ensures the last key press takes priority in games like Fortnite or Call of Duty, allowing seamless directional changes. Additionally, the RT Plus Release Dual Trigger mode allows each key to execute 2 separate actions based on press and release, enhancing gameplay in titles like Apex Legends and CS2. The keyboard boasts customizable RGB lighting with 18 effects and 10 brightness levels, along with adjustable trigger points and heights to suit personal preferences. Constructed with durable PBT double-shot keycaps, the A75 Pro provides a comfortable gaming experience with shock-absorbing features. It supports both Mac and Windows systems, has an ultra-responsive polling rate of 1000 Hz, and comes with a firmware model specific to the A75 Pro to prevent hardware issues. Overall, the DrunkDeer A75 Pro is designed to deliver precision, speed, and a personalized gaming experience for competitive gamers.